Well, boys and girls, welcome back to Cook's Place. Working on that fine 9. Hell yeah, baby. She's almost done. It's been a while. Yeah, it's been a minute or two. We got her finally painted. Got new brake lines on there. Got some studs welded on there to hold the brake lines intact. Gonna have to maybe come up with something different to hold the brake lines, but at this point, that works pretty damn slick. Hell yeah. That's right. Got some protected layer down there so we don't scratch the new paint, if you're wondering what that's all about. Yeah, got those hats all painted up, the calipers all painted up. Got them heat treated, so, well, got them baked on there so the paint doesn't chip or scratch real easy. Yeah, she turned out really, really nice. That blue iodized paint does a really nice job. Hopefully it lasts as good as they say. Yeah, just really, really nice. Alright, well, y'all like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Hell yeah. Rock and roll.